Norse mythology, an intricate tapestry woven from the threads of ancient Scandinavia's pre-Christian beliefs, continues to captivate us with its rich pantheon of gods, complex cosmology, and profound philosophical insight. In this lecture, we will delve into the origins of this captivating mythology, explore its primary sources, discuss its influence on culture and society, and examine its complex themes and symbolism. Norse mythology originated in Scandinavia, specifically among the Nordic peoples of present-day Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. The Viking Age, which spanned from the late 8th to the early 11th century, marked a pivotal period in the development of Norse mythology. During this time, the Vikings engaged in extensive raids, trading expeditions, and migrations that exposed them to diverse cultures and mythologies. They drew upon these influences to shape their own distinct narrative. The early Norse myths were largely oral traditions, passed down through generations by word of mouth before being recorded in written texts. The Viking Age's tumultuous nature, marked by frequent conflicts and migrations, might have contributed to the fluid and dynamic nature of Norse mythology. Our understanding of Norse mythology primarily stems from two medieval Icelandic texts, the Poetic Edda and the Prose Edda. These texts, written in Old Norse, were compiled by Icelandic scribes during the 13th century. The Poetic Edda is a collection of Old Norse poems that offer a glimpse into the ancient myths and legends of the Nordic people. It contains the Völuspá, a prophetic poem that describes the creation of the world and the events leading up to the end of the world. The Prose Edda, written by Snorri Sturluson, is a comprehensive guide to Norse mythology. It provides an in-depth look at the gods, goddesses, giants, and other supernatural beings that populate the Norse cosmos. The Prose Edda also includes stories about the creation of the world, the gods' lives and exploits, and the events leading up to Ragnarok, the apocalyptic event that marks the end of the world. Norse mythology has had a profound impact on Nordic culture and continues to inspire literature, art, and popular media worldwide. The Vikings' respect for their mythology is evident in their art and architecture, which often feature depictions of gods and goddesses. The intricate designs on Viking artifacts and jewelry showcase their reverence for the divine. In modern times, Norse mythology has inspired numerous literary works, including Richard Wagner's opera cycle Der Ring des Nibelungen and Rick Riordan's Magnus Chase series. The Marvel Cinematic Universe has also drawn upon Norse mythology in its depiction of Thor, a god with incredible strength and magical abilities. Norse mythology offers a rich tapestry of complex themes and symbolism that continue to captivate us today. One of the most striking aspects of Norse mythology is its cyclical view of time. The world is seen as a cycle of birth, growth, decay, and rebirth, reflecting the eternal struggle between order and chaos. The concept of fate is another central theme in Norse mythology. The Norns, three giant goddesses who govern fate, weave the threads of destiny that shape the lives of gods and humans alike. This emphasis on fate highlights the idea that our lives are predetermined and that we are subject to forces beyond our control. The giants in Norse mythology represent chaos and disorder, while the gods embody order and balance. This dichotomy reflects the struggle between opposing forces that is a hallmark of human existence. The giants' constant challenge to the gods serves as a reminder that chaos is always lurking, waiting to disrupt the balance of the world. Norse mythology offers a fascinating glimpse into the worldviews and values of ancient Scandinavia. Its complex themes and symbolism continue to captivate us today, inspiring new works of literature, art, and popular media. As we continue to explore this rich tapestry of myths and legends, we are reminded of the enduring power of mythological narratives to shape our understanding of ourselves and the world around us.